Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to view target info in Honor of Kings. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch Honor of Kings on your device. Then from the home screen, click on the settings icon which is in the top right corner. This will guide you to the settings menu. From the settings menu, select In-Match option. Here you can see the option Show Target Info. When target info is enabled, it displays detailed statistics about the enemy unit your hero is currently targeting to. This information is vital for strategic decision making and is highly recommended for higher level competitive play. It consists of health bar, physical and magical damage, magic resist, and other stats. Below Show Target Info option, there is Enable button. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the target info. And that's how you can view target info in Honor of Kings.